So we are going for the another assignment, that is data analytics with Python, which is of 8 weeks, which contains only 8 weeks. So bus 6 will be considered, and here we are having 4 questions for week 0, which will not be evaluated for the final evaluation. Let's see the questions one by one. What are the key features of Python language? It is object oriented, concise and simple. And statement list in Python is immutable, but tuple is mutable. This is false. For getting third, fourth, sixth row of data file, df in programming, Python programming, we can write df location 235. Bar charts are used for categorical data. So this is regarding the week 0 assignment for data analytics with Python. Thank you. We'll meet for the next assignment, and we'll see the 8 assignments so that we can we'll try to do all the assignments correctly, and we will go for the final evaluation. And final evaluation will be conducted in the digital ion centers, and you need to write the exam there. So based on the 6 assignment evaluations, this will be added to the final evaluation, and based on this you will get the certificate.